Let's enable Nightstand mode on your iPhone. Now, if you have your iPhone and you wanted to be able to put it on its side and turn it off, and it turns into a nightstand, it's a setting that you need to turn on. So let's just hop into the settings app of your phone. And to enable this, keep in mind there's no nightstand mode in your settings. It's called standby mode, and Apple calls it that. So you can see standby mode will turn on when your iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, clocks, etc. Turn this on, and you can choose for the display to turn off the display automatically after 20 seconds or never. And you can also choose night mode, basically where it shows a red tint in low ambient lighting. You can also choose whether it shows notifications and whether you want to tap to just basically dismiss those notifications. Now, after you've turned on all of these, essentially what it will look like when you plug in your phone and turn it off, it will look like this. Now, keep in mind, this doesn't always show up. It also uses the ambient light around you. So if it's daytime or bright out, even if you plug in your phone and put it on the side, it won't do this. It will only turn on if it's dark at night, and basically it is appropriate to have this night mode or standby mode, and you'll be able to see the clock and calendar, or you can customize it to look and feel how you want.